I think, it is really important that all the disciplines, again, work together on the issue of transformation and increasing the number of commercial black farmers, emerging commercial and commercial black farmers in the country. Our producer associations are doing a sterling job with the funding that they have available.
Yep.
They only have so much money. So they're doing a sterling job. But one would sincerely hope that government will allow the private sector more leeway to work with government to empower farmers. You don't become a farmer in 1 or 2 days. It is a long-term process.
Not just the farmers, it can be in all the sectors, transport, and harbors, and everything.
Yeah. So I think, there's a lot of space. And if you look at the Pulse project here in the Western Cape, is a prime example of, where it can really work and show that it is a collaborative effort.